Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0x800f0989. So if you are receiving this error code while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on update and security, and then click on troubleshoot. Click on additional troubleshooter. Now over here you can see Windows Update. Click on Windows Update, then click on run the troubleshooter, and once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and reset Windows Update components. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. So open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see download Windows Update Reset Script for computers running Windows 10. Click on it. A zip file will download, and then go to the download location. Make a right click on the zip file, then click on extract, and then open this folder. Open WE reset folder. Make a right click on WU reset.bat, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow. Now over here you will see this black screen, and it will tell you to press any key to continue. You can press the space key on the keyboard, or you can press any key on the keyboard and let the process start. First of all, it will go ahead and stop all the services, and then it will go ahead and restart all the services. And this way it will go ahead and update. It will go ahead and reset the Windows Update components. So this might take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute, so just wait for it. If you receive any kind of error message over here, just ignore it and let the process complete. It is still running right now. Now over here you can see it's starting all the services once again. Now at the end here it says press any key to continue. So press any key on the keyboard and this will close this window. Now go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run these commands. All the commands are provided in the video description. So open command prompt. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, and once this is successfully completed, you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now you can go ahead and try to update your Windows 10. Now still you are facing the problem. You can go ahead and open command prompt once again and then run the remaining two commands. So click on yes to allow, type in this command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Run the first command, the second command, and let the scan complete. Once this scan is 100% complete, you have to go ahead and run the second scan, and once the second scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. Now the next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant to update your Windows 10. For this, go to this link. This link is provided in the video description. It will again take you to Microsoft website. Click on update now, and then you will see this exe file. Run this exe file. Click on it. Click on yes to allow. And here you can see Windows 10 Update Assistant. It will check for update. If there is any update, it will let you know, and you will see the install option. In my case, it's already up to date. So click on install, and that should go ahead and update your Windows 10. Now in case if nothing is working, you can use media creation tool to update Windows 10. So copy the same link. This is the same link. Scroll down and then click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run the exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on accept, and then by default upgrade this PC now will be selected. So click on next. Now let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, you have to go ahead and install the Windows 10. Now after the download is complete, once this download is complete, when the process is complete, before the installation you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can click on install, and after the installation log into your computer and your Windows 10 should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.